prison.
You are the one who bring up Cartel and Bojo.
Yeah.
I give Alkaline credit as a youth who do something great. Where they on the road.
Bro.
Why you never talk for the man on the road? I'm saying today, what him do is great. Are you start comparing Cartel to it?
No, this one because of what you said, bro.
What did I say?
Yeah.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
It's already. Dancehall industry, the two biggest thing, yeah, outside we come out of Jamaica is Alkaline and Vibes Cartel. I don't care what no one tell me about Shaggy and Sean Paul them international.
When say bigger than biggest school.
Them are the two biggest fan base.
Talk about currently.
Gotcha, bitch.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
No, one Media Fox from Panny up, you see me? Yeah, man, people, remember, the streaming buying and the album buying, it not stop yourself. Keep it on, because we still can push up the album, same way number 1 or 2. You understand? Yeah, so just keep on doing what you're doing. Everything counts, you understand? But we see two brother, you know, I talk about the Alkaline and thing and, you know, Vice Cartel and a lot of other artists, you see it. It seems interesting. Yeah, so we are going to var it and make you know what going on. You see it. Yeah, man, big up everybody. You see me, I see the Gaza people, I mean, I comment same way, but big up on yourself. We know say we're not a fan of the thing same way and not tune into the video them. You see me, at the end of the day, I can't bash you no car. We're not a fan of an artist and, you know? Yeah, but we're not tune in same way, we're not support the movement, you know? Although sometimes we maybe not agree with what I say, but that's how it go. Everybody have them opinion, everybody have them feelings, you see it? Yeah, but I want them thing that though. But you don't know, I want dancehall same way. You see me, how I grow the culture. Yeah, man. So, we go see what go on in that video.
New rules, anything going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your take on that?
Congrats, youth. What him do? Even though I want show. Yeah. It's the biggest thing in a dancehall for a long while. Because
big things that me feel.
no, this year what him do?
Yeah.
They are the only artist in a long while from dancehall sell out such a big show, and them are the headline alone.
So what are we saying here?
I tell you how big and how great this achievement is.
So what are we saying here?
What's it about?
So I'm gonna ask you that question. When Cartel sold out, yeah, the same venue back to back, yeah, who was advertised with Vibes Cartel on the show?
I'm gonna swear me see one or two people advertise.
No.
They can't listen, they can't.
No.
Listen.
You see this?
No, man, Cartel alone. You see me? A Cartel alone. You see it? And I say go. You see it? But I understand the point where I forward from. He must have thought based on, if you know say, yo, at Alkaline age, and remember say, you have a lot of artists out there, even when they before Alkaline, and them never do this, especially at this age where Alkaline do it. Because a lot of people never know say Alkaline would have sold out the Barclays by himself. You understand? Because remember say, Alkaline, I know like, in the age and the era like the artists them would do it. You understand? So, the milestone here where Alkaline do is something where is trust me, something where happen where not really happen in a dancer. Like at his age, 32, for a headline that by himself. The youth just gone 13 years in his career. Just 13. And for him to do that, especially, it's not like Alkaline missing. Him do shows, him always do shows. It's not like him absence from any country or, you know, or to be seen in the eyesight. You see me? So, for him do this, it really shows that, yo, the youth have a lot more for sure in a dance hall. You see me? Yeah, so maybe at that point they might forward with. But what Cartel though, is a great move. Same way is a great move. You see me? Yeah, it's a big contributor to dance hall as well.
You're making reference to it.
No, so you bring up content in the heart.
I have to bring him up in it because like I said, one of the biggest things happen in a while. I couldn't want disregard what Cartel, with Buju and them when they do.
We are talking about artists where they're on the road. Buju and Cartel. Never mention Buju and Cartel. Buju and Cartel was as expecting to follow up those places. Buju and Cartel expect.
Why were they expecting to pull up those places?
Because they have the road for a while.
No, bro. So what happened to the money with the road?
No.
So what happened to the money with the road?
What?
So why could they not do it?
That is the reason I tell you say Alkaline achievement is great because
I understand his achievement is great. But you see when me hear people are gonna say, oh, he might the first artist who would do it, and because he never got prison and all of these narrative, bro. Forget that, brother.
You can't forget it.
You mean by alright. So
Alright, you see that prison thing that people, but don't even like hear it. Because you see, Alkaline is just doing what he's doing by him pulling my fan base and the work when put in. Everything are the work where the artists them put in. You understand? But artists have an advantage over other artists. Seeing, at the end of the day, the work where Cartel put in, that carry him to whatever result play out. Although the absence is a part of it. Because yes, him couldn't go other countries. But remember, say people don't see it at eyesight. And remember, a lot of people never yet see Vice Cartel perform. But some people see Alkaline perform. You understand? So the thing is that Alkaline do, it kind of opened eyes. Because at his age, in his career, in a short space of time, for what him do, just by himself as a young, same way when it comes to music. Him not in the Cartel and the Buju Banton and the big artists them thing yet. Because them put in work and them put in the years. Them are gone 20 to 30 years already. Beenie man and them man and Bounty. Alkaline's a young youth to them man there. You see me? So for what him do, for lead up to them, you understand? Like for do what them I do in a short space of time at film, yo, that great. You understand? That great. Yeah. And remember say Buju did lock up. You see me? Them couldn't see him. Cartel as we Beenie man and what you call it? Bounty Killer never go US about 20 years. So 20 years US not see him. But remember say people do travel. So people who in the US can travel come to Jamaica go see him, Canada or UK. So him still not really have that demand the way Cartel have. Cartel have the highest demand in a dancehall history. So that's why you see what him do. Because at first before him go prison, him never could have go these countries. So imagine him going to prison now. That even more worse, because if them did have left from where them the overseas and come see him at Jamaica, then the demand would high because them would have come to Jamaica and see him. But them come to Jamaica now and them couldn't see him none at all. You understand? So you might get the opportunity now to go a lot of these places. And remember say, you not see the person, yeah, you might have listened to music, but everybody are going to see him. Especially for the first time. I saw the thing go.
So why can't the man them on the Depon Road then, after how much years where Vibes Cartel and Buju did their prison, never do it? Why it have to take for Buju and Cartel come on road, come show them so they can do it?
That is the reason why. Them can't, all them can do it.
Yeah, but for people to be saying that, brother, yeah, it look bad, but them should be embarrassed to say that, brother.
No.
You mean by no?
No.
So what I do?
Brother, I'm saying to you,
so suppose Cartel never come on road?
Brother, I'm not talking about Cartel. I give the youth in props.
Yeah, but give him in props, but don't talk about this prison thing, brother.
No,
yeah?
You see,
but the brother never said nothing about prison. The man never said nothing about prison. The man just say, yo, Alkaline do at his age and, you know, it's a great move. The man never said nothing about no cartel or prison, brother. You understand? You kind of bring up the prison thing. Him not say nothing about prison. You see me? I know him not say nothing about prison. Him just a state something. But, you know, when it comes to Alkaline and cartel, the comparison, you go to everything. Are two great artists, them are two. You know? And them have the biggest fan base in a dancer. So, you know, two artists, them are do great things at the end of the day. So, you know, one more dead end of the game, one more have more bigger legacy and everything. So it go. You see me?
First, you stay the argument to Cartel, you know?
Yo, because what you said, no, because you said, you see what the man do great, I'm not even talking about
what I say is fact.
Buju in the thing as well, yeah? But don't try and discredit the man. And try to make it look like, say, because the man didn't go to prison.
You are the one who bring up Cartel and Buju. I give Alkaline credit as a youth when do something great, when they're on the road.
Bro.
Why you never talk for the man on the road? I'm saying that what him do is great and you start comparing Cartel to it?
No, it's because...
Yeah, him start compare Cartel. You see me? Everybody do great things. Buju do it, Cartel do it, Alka come do it. You understand? Yeah. Everybody do them thing, brother. Everybody do great things in a dancehall. You see it? So him just a state a point. Him not like him a try missing out nobody and every little thing. Everybody know a Cartel do great. Him just a say as a young youth, cause it seems like the brother has some big. So as a young youth, him a say, yo, it's a great look for the young youth. That's all. You see me?
What you said, bro.
What did I say?
Yeah. him do something great in the longest while.
Yes.
So I'm saying to you, yeah, so why are you taking away the credit from man like Buju and Cartel who done it?
And this, come say, Cartel and Buju expected to do that. That is the reason why when that is the reason why what's brother. That is the reason why when Buju forward to Jamaica, the whole world knows say him could have full out stadium. The whole world expect him full out stadium. When Cartel When Cartel forward, the whole world expect him to full out stadium. You see what I'm saying? When Zebra forward, nobody expect him full out nowhere. And that's a fact.
Yeah, when Cartel forward out. Everybody, bro, remember, you know, a lot of people never see Cartel perform yet. Remember, a man did lock up, so everything is expected. You understand? The thing where everybody look into are the unexpected, cause a lot of people are say, yo, Alkaline, now go sell it out. So when him do sell it out now, the people have to say, no man, that youth here. You see me, that youth here, cause remember, Alka there. So people are see him. So for him forward come do this, although them money are big artists, same way, cause not because me now go say the prison 100% what I'm with Cartel. Because remember, say Cartel put in the work, him have a bag of hit songs. You see me? A lot of people don't see him. But you have to put in the work. Zebra them no really have a bag of hit song and them little thing there. You see me? So it now go happen with them. The artists them on the their road. First of all, if you have realized since 2013, so after 2013, so the dancehall space right now is dominating by a lot of young youths. You understand? If you know what I mean, young youths, like a young youths from the past artists and Joshy them, the whole of them, Skeng them, the whole of them, Valiant, TJ them, you see me, Ragging King, the whole of them, you see me, is be a young artist where them not gone enough years in the business. Some boss 20 gone just 6 years in the business, this and that. A lot of them don't build them brand. Some of them boss this year and then nothing go on for them after that. So a lot of them could do it while they have other artists back then. A lot of artists not really have the hit song, they not really have the catalog there where, you know, can hold certain generation and Cartel full of hit song. Buju Banton a big man in a reggae, same way people are going to see him. Big man overseas as well. You see me? Cause remember that one time Beenie Man did I try to do back to back with Cartel, you know. And when me see it, I say, yo, Beenie Man, don't do it. Don't follow where Cartel do, brother. Remember, say people still did I see you. Not because you know go US. People still a fly come to Jamaica and go other places to see you. And then when you look the second show cancel. You understand? Sometimes we're not supposed to use ego try follow where next man do. Do what you can do. You understand? Yeah.
I'm saying that is a fact, bro.
So why is everybody couldn't follow it something? Because they are prison for a long while.
Because he wasn't doing no song and he never have no great monster. He never have a fan base out here. And when got prison for people don't want to see him. But that's the problem now.
Bro,
so what are you saying?
Alright,
Mama, you never expect Buju and Cartel before the when they come back.
It's irrelevant of that. What I'm trying to say.
Yes or no?
No, may I explain something to you? Yeah. What I'm trying to say, yeah, it's irrelevant. This narrative about prison and whatever. Forget that. Yeah. The man them done great.
Them done great.
Alkaline done magnificent. Give him props for that, bro. Don't try to categorize the youth thing. The youth, what the youth do? Yeah. Is beyond we're expected a youth at theme age. Yeah. So you see what.
So now eat the brother try state, brother. I eat the man I tell you know. And you are bring up Cartel them and Buju them, you know. The same thing where you just say a while ago at his age. And that the man I try to tell you, brother. Because a lot of dancehall artists at Alkaline age don't pass them, never did I do them milestone. Yeah. At the age of what, 30, 32, them never really do this what the youth do. So that the man that I say, but me no know, it's like you maybe feel like him a rare with the other artists them. You see me? And you are bring up the jail and the prison thing. You see it?
You see when a man gonna say, yo, oh, because Cartel do this and it don't gonna just bring the youth thing into disrepute.
No, you are bringing the disrepute. I'm
yeah, because of what they said. The reason why, brother, you cannot deny history, brother. You cannot deny the reality.
We're not denying history.
So I don't see why. Keep Buju in props. Buju do him do. Cartel forward and do him do. No, Alkaline forward and do him do.
Brother.
Yeah, but we're not gonna talk
about. Show ya, we give Cartel in props. They full out the stadium. But they show ya, we give Cartel in props. They full out. They sell out. Seen it twice. You not like say we ain't giving him. What are you saying?
Yeah, but one.
At that, the man. You see him now understanding of people. We done Cartel do great, brother. The man does see that state where Alkaline do at his age. If you see what yo that youth do. You understand? At his age, a lot of artists never at his age past that milestone. That's where the youth, that's what the brother try to say. But he might try involve the prison thing with Cartel and Buju. Cartel and Buju them get them them greatness. Everybody know that for what them do. You understand? Yeah. But him just say something about Alkaline, but me don't know why it just them maybe them just feel like say yo doing that with Alkaline to go make Cartel think them look great. Cartel man to do great things. But him just talk about Alkaline. You see me not take nothing from what Cartel do. You see it?
Use the narrative here of like say, oh, because I present this. Don't, because to me that played on Alkaline thing.
No, you don't play on Alkaline thing.
It does. Because now the question I got asked, so why couldn't it be happen before the money come out? No. Why is that to take the money to come from prison, come show dancehall, yeah, so they can fill out arenas?
No, in a take them come out. I'm saying this, arena has been.
No, you see that narrative there now, brother. I feel like when I go that thing about man forward from prison for show arena, bro. No, brother. No, now get it wrong this because you see because Cartel just forwarding out, it build up the anticipation and the arena thing. But I remember the year before, Reggae Fest a keep in a Barclay Center with Movada and the man them. You understand? Show been a keep. Even remember in the Alkaline arena show in a UK Wembley. That was announced in 2024, around November, October so. And Cartel one Barclay show never announced until February, in 2025. So anyway you take it, Alkaline, if Cartel case this still have to continue, Alkaline would have still do the arena in the UK. You understand? What happened to Cartel them now have nothing to do with the artists them, brother. You understand? That how Cartel destiny, the absence and every little thing. That how we build up in moment. Remember say him never have access to go certain countries. People couldn't see him. So you can't use that for say, oh, Cartel never come out, nobody would not do arena and all of them. You can't say that because you can't see the future, brother. You understand? I feel like you not overdo that thing there. You see me? Because at the end of the day, things are going to happen, bro. But just because in time when Cartel forward out now, with theme little physics absence and a lot of people never see him, so people are going to want to see him now. What Cartel do is great for dancehall and it great for him. You understand? It not have nothing to do with the artists them where I forward up. You see me? So that little come out of prison them the wood and do that now make no sense because Movada and Idonia them are do shows in the same Barclays before Cartel forward out from prison. Them maybe never did with solo, but them it did a keep in a Barclays. But because the hype and every little thing never did it, and that's why it maybe seems like said them something I never did a go on. You understand?
You know, for years. Don't you see that's why I want to bring in the Sean Paul, the Shaggies. Them all been doing it like a joke. Say that like the dancer wasn't full of arenas before. Beenie used to do it too. It was been done. Yeah. But I'm saying to you say, what that you can do right now? I might want to do it. Cartel and Butch was expected to do it. That's what I'm saying. They expected to do it. In my opinion. If they found them to do it, I say, what? You know what they expected to do it.
So you never expect Alkaline to follow the arena?
No.
But I expected it. This is what I said.
Not the Barclays, because if bigger than him struggling to do it.
Who is bigger than him?
Bigger than him.
Who?
Beenie.
This is what I'm trying to tell you in a while, brother. You see, percent.
People hear this. Man, we can't believe this, dog. People, yo, me I tell you, say, yo, dance all nice here, people. Dance all nice, me I tell you, freak, dog. Me I tell you, people. Listen what I go, yo, this is a comedy.
You see, perception. I want to see the two biggest thing out of Jamaica. Yeah? The two, me tell you this already. Dancehall industry, the two biggest thing, yeah, outside, we come out of Jamaica, is Alkaline and Vibes Cartel. I don't care what you want to tell me about Shaggy and Sean Paul and international. They are the two biggest fan base.
No, bro, I can't believe say man really just say that, brother. Bro, we not gonna do that, bro. We can't say Alkaline bigger than Shaggy and Sean Paul, bro. No, bro, not because of the fan base, brother. Yeah, no, we not gonna do that. We not gonna do that, bro. Them man they big in the game, brother. You see me? Yeah, bro, like, come on, brother. Come on, we not gonna say that, people. We not say that. Not even Beenie, we're not gonna say that. Alkaline is a great young artist. You understand? Him hit some milestone, early than the usual way, But no, we're not gonna say that. Not because of the fan base, we're not gonna use that for say, okay, that Ray. The man them bigger than Champagne and Shaggy bigger than Alkaline. We're not gonna do that. Not because don't watch your fan base, them big. You see me? Yeah, when you call about loyal fans and fans bringing an artist, yeah, you can't say that. You see me? Because them have them fans out there, it's just that them maybe not active like them your man fans. Them have fans out there, man. Them have people out there, man. You see me? But the big thing, nah.
Right now,
Yes, if
I'm telling you this already. Say, Alkaline fan base bigger than Beenie. Cartel fan base bigger than Beenie.
currently, yes. We can't deny that, bro. What are we doing?
Okay.
We can't deny that. Big, but we have to about bigger artists, they're not bigger than him. But I'm saying they say, they are currently, yes. Because they are the current artists. So you expect them to do what Beenie can do now. We can't expect Beenie to do what they do now. It doesn't make sense.
Why not?
Because
it can't. I'm tell you why.
go on.
And this is what we talk about the other day.
And you know what, people? It proves to you for real because look at now, the big fan base and Vendetta and Gaza, it shows you because a lot of, you see what I'm saying, I expect Alkaline to follow the Barclays, but it shows you how huge Alkaline fan base is to make him pass that milestone if him fans them really forward out come see him at Barclays Center. You understand? Yeah. So it really shows, you see me? Yeah, because a lot of artists there before could really pull off that just by themselves, like just them alone. You see me? Yeah, so it's a good look on a dancehall.
Yeah, I will say this before. For the time where Beenie Man has been in the music industry, and the time when Bounty Killer has been in the industry, yeah, their fan base should still remain with them because they still doing music. Yeah? But them never. You see what Alkaline and Cartel do now, Beenie and Bounty never do that.
Which is?
What them do now, you see the brand, what them have, Beenie and Bounty them never learn the concept of branding. You see me?
Hold on. Do you know what Beenie Man and Bounty did in a film did?
This is what I said to you. And if Beenie and Bounty apply the principles that Cartel and Alkaline now applies to having their fan base and building their brand around that, yeah, they would have been a much bigger artist.
Me talk already. Let me tell you. Yeah. The majority of fan base now we got clubs. What age are they?
This is what we're waiting for. And
I'm ask what age are they?
it don't really matter.
It does matter because the demographic of fans does matter.
I'm gonna ask you a question now.
Yeah.
What demographics of fans spend the most money on music?
Older people.
Okay. So if that's the case,
No. Hold on. Answer question first. Answer. What demographic of fans go to shows? Go right now. Go. What is the biggest demographic of fans?
Mostly young people, man. Young people go fan young people. You see, because remember, you know, I think Bounty Killer going at the Barclays Center, right? Him do two shows him doing Barclays Center. The first one, them put him up, and then after them add Movad or Idonia Massacre to it. So you can see, alright, and him really fully booked. Get that crowd there because a big artist them here. You see me? The second one now, you don't know him, Bounty and Alkaline and the other rest. You know, that was the same situation with the Alkaline fan them kind of walk out on Bounty and thing, you see me? Yeah, so it show you, if you see Alkaline in the Barclays last year, seeing and see if he come do this by himself, the artists are different, like him really having fans. Cause for people see him the same place last year and then come back again and him do it by himself. Trust me, at his age, film fan equity is very big. It half a big. Me I tell you that, people, it half a big. Like, you have to tune into this. You see me?
I would say from like 18 to 25.
Yeah, Bounty Killer fans only 18 to 25, bro.
Yeah, but
that's the problem.
However, you still have a strong fan base, yeah, in the 35 and over, same way.
Majority of fan base. What Bounty Killer, Beenie Man and Bounty Killer did what Cartel and Alkaline do in a film time. In one time when there was no social media. They find other way of.
But you know what the funniest thing, people? I don't know still, but maybe they might talk on fan base, but I don't feel like Cartel and Alkaline fit in the same conversation. Cartel fit in a Idonian and what you call it? Idonian Movad them era like. You understand? Bounty and Beenie thing are mostly in the 90s thing. Cartel thing them are in the 2000s. Alkaline thing are in like the teens. You know, the teens going up in the 2020s, like at the moment now. I don't know. I don't like that thing. You understand? But it shows you say Alkaline is really a great artist. For like, you know, even them a call out say, the two biggest fan base, and I put them in a segment which I don't really rate that. You see me? Because Cartel in the game for years before Alkaline. Him in a different era, different league, you understand? Yeah. Alkaline are more like the younger little thing, them like Massacre and, them artists there. You see it? Yeah, because so we have to really judge it. You see me? Because if you put an artist against an artist when in the business for so much years before an artist, yeah, that unfair. Cartel, if you compare with some different, bigger legends in the game, is it?
That is the reason why Bounty and Beenie know so many places in the world. Fill out so many arenas across the world. Have so much hits across the world. Different time now where the youngest people are gravitated to who them can relate to. Young people can relate to Bounty Killer. They can relate to Beenie Man. Because
that's true still.
dance is not only songs, it's fashion.
And this is what I tell you, say, we come down to the importance of branding, brother.
We can wish old artists.
No, say, I don't really say, yeah, we kind of understand the niche fans and everything, but I don't really, well, the branding is good, because I always say a lot of artists say, because I tell you, you have people where we have 50 yard and 60 yard where Alkaline fan them, people. Some people back in the days are usually rate Bounty. I know some of them, some 50 and 60 yard, I see a forward out on a different Alkaline, and I listen music, people. So, the youth are way mad though. Trust me, I remember I said, the Alkaline are not really fit them era. A Bounty and Beenie, and them is a fan of Alkaline. You see me?
Us, all genre. We have a strong with the young people. But they don't across any genre.
Bob Marley.
But the Bob Marley dead from me.
Yes, and this is what I tell you. And this is what I go say now. And this is what I go break down to. You know what I call Bob Marley? When it comes to Bob, the most important thing with Bob.
Somebody who's across all genre, don't go to the anomalies. 10 years. We're deaf on the road. I have to put that out there. We're deaf on the road. We have monster hit songs. Monster hit fucking songs. And all they can pull 10,000 people in one venue. Obviously, a youth where fight the odds. We know the struggle we go through. We know the war we fight amongst different fans. And stand 10 toe down and can follow out the Barclays. But even that when you see come full out 12,000 venue in the audio. I say, yo, but I did
by himself.
By himself, because in this car, two people, if you just get a little highlight.
Yeah.
See, if you see him do the Barclays, bro, I say, bum buckle that. I not tell you no lie, brother, I'm surprised.
I never surprised.
You see it? You see it? A lot of people know. You see, sometimes, a lot of people don't know what I go on. The youth know what I'm doing now. You understand? You see, a lot of people never expect it. And the youth did it. You man have to big up the artists, them. You see me? Because you have a thing where you expect, and you have a thing where you don't expect. So when you see it happen, you say, yo, Jano youth. The Barclays thing kind of sure, say Alkaline they on a different level. Like, from the artists them were in a theme era, sure say him on a different level. You see me?
I am surprised because I've seen so many artists over the years that about monsters. Monsters. Can't pull it off. I don't pull it off.
Definitely. But before we touch the album, this is one problem when we find with the Alkaline performance. I'ma say it.
Oh, we got to move on to the blood.
I say it at the Wembley show. I say it again. His entrance song. I understand what I try to do, but I feel like he has more song when he could have used him entrance and be more impactful. Yeah, and then the next thing when we love to see, yeah, is to me the London show him give a better performance
10 times
than the show there.
You know my views already when it comes to stage shows. I just feel like say an artist, especially it's a big show. You're not gonna like art or hybrid. If you go to the levels, because me say when achieve, you can bring it down to you see Beyonce them do similar things.
Yeah.
You see certain, but those people are give you a production on stage. I just feel like say him sell the people a shot. You have to perform. It's like I want to ad-libs go on. I'm gonna rate that. And I say something also. What do you when Chronics, me have a shoot out over there with Chronics.
Bro, I don't understand still now, because every show we go on the Barclays Center, like, bro, Bounty did in there, a lot of artists, them never use not bands. You see me? Them do the same thing, bro. Someone I understand with that. You see it? Like, Barclays Center no use bands. We're not using artists use bands in there. At the same setup, bro. You see me? Someone I know, I guess he might try to call out Alkaline. You see me? But other shows keep and the bands never use. You see me? Remember, say Alkaline use bands. You see me? He use bands. He maybe not use it on an international scale, but because remember, say enough of them bands, you have to ship, a lot of people carry them own bands and them look thing there. You understand? And when him do new rules at Jamaica, him doing bands. You see me? Him doing bands. You see it? But you have to remember, say, sometimes the bands thing, like, you know, have people have bands and we carry bands. And not every show you're going to get, based on the setup and everything, and not every show you're going to get for really. You see me? Do bands or can have bands, certain thing. You see it? Yeah. And at the end of the day, I think that show was just Alkaline alone. You see me? Yeah. And now for understand, say, yo, a lot of these musics and rhythms never really make for the bands really play it, you know. You understand? Yes. Some of them, it's not like the reggae thing, the reggae beats and them little thing there. And some of the dancehall beats them, it can do. But that the thing, like, you know, the rhythm thing kind of change and, you know, on every rhythm thing, like, the bands can play. They have to rehearse and all of them little thing there, you see me? Yeah. But, you know, a lot of people that want to see the bands thing or the artists, them and thing. But in a Barclays Center, all of the artists, them not use no bands.
See, yeah. When Chronix perform, and him give you, I would rather see Alkaline perform with a live band and stand at one place and deliver in vocals more than doing one idea. If you want to hear him, sing them, go past Spotify and play Alkaline song and listen to them.
So wait there, where him live, people? I don't know, cause I don't know, but him must see the new rule show them at Jamaica. You understand? He must see the new rule show. The only bands show I see keep when it comes to arena, I think Abuja Bantan. Yeah, I think Abuja Bantan, I see the bands since him fought from prison. Abuja Bantan are the only one. You know, Abuja Bantan do the reggae, but the dancehall scene, I think Beenie Man did do it too. A UBS, I think. Yeah, I think Beenie Man. You see me? Yeah, but I not too see much people. Even Capleton, them big artists in a Barclays last year for Labor Day, them never use no bands. You see me?
Alone, I say I do it, you know. You see me? I'ma feel like that authenticity where dancehall and reggae have for no see when them perform raw, that raw energy there, you see me? Yeah, so we get drawn into too much of this hip hop thing because that's where we see it start from. You see me? Yeah. So more on the artists them forward back to that thing.
Song.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Not only see you jump up like acrobats, but actually perform a song, bro. I don't want to
interact with the audience.
Cool, man. Yeah. But I think you need to do new rules in Jamaica. Yeah. We go live bands.
Yeah.
Listen, come on, man. We can't tell the artists to do anything, but I'm saying to me, I would rather feel. Me did go on the show there. When I leave, I'm gonna feel. Yeah, more no real feel, please. I want to feel as them this.
But then again, you have some of the fans, you know, where they must say when they perform with the bands, yeah. Then they get that feeling like how them get with the record, you see me? Okay.
Yeah, and remember say, you know, enough of these things, you have to understand now, bro. Our culture, our bands thing and so, but you have to understand, say, yo, in the foreign market, in a foreign country, you know, brother, like, some people maybe, them not used to bands, you know. And have a look on these things as well. Them not really used to bands. And same like, oh, you are Jamaica, would I say, yo, you would prefer the bands thing, or where you grew up and all of them thing there, but the overseas thing, them used to that with the reggae thing, like back in the days, Beenie Man and Shabba them and them little thing there. But now with the young artists, them and in a this time I know where them are listening to some big artists, rapper and Beyonce, and that's what them grew up with. Them some of the people overseas don't really grew up with the bands and every little thing. You see me? So sometimes we have to mix it. Cause remember, as foreign people travel come to Jamaica as well, come see the artists them perform with bands in our country. You see me? But sometimes some big reggae artists will go over there. Like Chronix, them and them man, they will go do it and every little thing. Cause them man, they are reggae, like the roots, the bands, the everything. The people them who go watch reggae show and them little thing there, yeah, them expect it and say reggae show this massive bands. But like, you know, a typical dancehall, the new beats and different beats and every little thing there, brother. Some people are gonna say, oh, John, rare. But I say it going everywhere you go and bands are go dead and you know. But if you see him perform a new rules, yeah, you see him perform, but I not really everywhere. The bands thing I go really work, or you see me, are certain setups and certain things. You see it.
Some of the time, some of the bands them play, the rhythm them different. Or you know, some of the time the rhythm them because they are some of the rhythm them a computer rhythm, so them going to live, set the sound, it kind of sound a bit
ambience.
Yeah.
Yeah, the same thing with the rhythm. The different rhythm beats right now. The drum the drumming them, it kinda go hard to play them beat for kinda match with the performance. You understand? Yeah, certain beats. It can play the slow beat like the reggae thing them and the certain songs. Yeah, it can happen. You see me? But you know the foreign markets there already. Sometimes it have to do a little mixture, is it?
You can't have them big shred. I mean, it's like the atmosphere is just atmosphere.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But apart from that, you not get a performance. I want to see a performance, bro. I mean, not a blood clot. Like, I only negative me see about the show, dog.
Yeah.
You see me? But we got to say Alka.
Yeah, album. Album.
Album, dog. But I like the album. I want to tell you why.
But no, I like
The lyrics, them, I take time to play. I don't want to say if we go to my car now and I choose to play, Alka album play.
Yeah.
Because it's like, it all grew up on me, the album. I swear to God, it grew up on me.
I would sing your song for the album.
Bad. When I'm not bad. I want to grab me so far.
You see it, people. You see if you're gonna listen to Alkaline album one time and just say, I tell people, just play the music in your car and you go up on a nice little distance and just play it. Make it repeat. And so when the song start kicking, I saw you understand music, I saw you listen music. You know, just listen music one time and just that. You understand? You have to make the thing so keen. And you see it? Him say him dead and him can pick up one song say bad and every little thing. Although him to me more like a back in the days fan of music and every little thing, you see me?
I mean, but if I have Alkaline, wouldn't the album.
But there's a few songs on the album I'm like. My favorite is Sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
Yeah, Sacrifice bad. And then my next song is Good Girl.
Good Girl.
Bad.
A Good Girl battle. It's a Good Girl and decent song too.
Even though you have a little bit of country.
Yo, that song there, tough. It's gonna run the summer.
Yeah.
But you know the thing, like, I might type a reading.
Yeah.
And for you go girl, I might type a song.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
So, yeah, but I love good girls. You see it?
Yeah, I like
Yeah,
that.
when girl, good girl, good.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah, I said, skip the song then. Let's hear it, lad.
You know, so I really skip the song still. Like, I say you more listen to the album. Yeah, all of the 16 track them. More listen to them, you see me? But the song will cause one for a controversy.
Yeah.
And the song with him wet one.
When you say you're 18 and you say you're 18, you should get age.
Yeah, Kim was saying let out him rage.
You see me? You don't know that was fucking.
Like in a good girl.
Yeah.
When the man say he come in a cup.
And I like to one and two go proper style still.
Yeah.
You see me? Because when I start listening to the album, I skip. I say fuck because trap. I hear trap roll, I skip it. And then I say no one. Second.
But the more you see with the album here, you have to listen to it more than one time.
I was driving down up now. My brother listen to it. I had to play it. And I said, okay, that one bad. Even traffic kind of.
You see it? Just make the thing go and play in your car, you're on a nice journey. Just go and meds it. And then you will realize. You see me?
Listen to the trap thing, I can't feel it. I'm going to focus on the lyrics. I'm going to say, lyrics are bad, but apart from that, the album is what it is. I'm not a trap fan, so I don't like the album.
Yeah, but
Yeah, so the only problem is you must say the trap thing. It's just the beat still, you know. You see me? Because the wet wall one we go so, here and now, I hear the tum, tum, tum. That kind of a like a dancehall beat to it, you know. Here and now, tum. You understand? But I guess some of the song them, it have a little mixture. So that's why I must say, yo, you know, I rate the lyrics them, but I just the beat. You see me? As I say, it look like it's an elder we just used to, you know, them authentic dancehall beat there.
Man, I know girl this for real.
yeah.
Let me tell you something, if you never know you that boy, she said, give me the pussy. Nice,
I don't know we have the key for this
city, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let me know. Let me tell you. Brother, my partner was say, early morning that might take a look at the place. This is something that Bumbo Clan was once.
Yo, yeah, so man them remember Alkaline lyrics. The man up in a age, you know. Should we say you powerful music and the lyrics them, it tough.
But so Alkaline, you know about the album, you know like it.
Yeah. But the album are going good. I'm in love with that. My dominate all of the charts them. Isn't it? And I think the marketing strategy was like, yeah, I have to give them that. I move on to the topics we'll touching on next. Because before that, I shall dominate the space.
Yeah.
With the blind blows. Isn't it? And Alka showed us forward now. And it's still make sure you have to put the blows on the dog.
Yeah, how you ready for blood?
Oh, the bumbo. The man say Alkaline show forward up though. Make sure you have to put the blows on the dog to bombard. Yo, the money a craft man dog, I tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah man people, you don't know, you know. Big up on yourself, you know, yeah man. Respect for tuning, you see me? Don't know, one meter facts on the app, yeah man. You know what thing said. That is it.